This is a product release announcement. We're very proud to announce the release of version 3.0 for our core HL7 flagship product line. Now this includes the core HL7 TCP/IP Listener, the core HL7 TCP/IP Sender, our core HL7 Postmaster, the core HL7 C#.NET 8 Script Engine, which is not quite ready yet but will be here in January 2026, and finally our core HL7 Microsoft SQL Schema Engine. Now, as you can see by this note, 4 of these 5 products you can run with one single core HL7 API Enterprise license. Let's take a look. Let's start with the core HL7 Listener. Version 3, we've redesigned the way that the Windows services work. This works across all of our new releases. In prior versions, you had the option of creating up to 4 Windows services. Starting with version 3, you can actually create up to 20 primary services. A primary service, you can run as many listeners as you want in it. I have 12 here. I could have said run them all in service instance 1, but you don't have to do that. You can also sort your profiles however you want, here by port number. And what's important to know is we have customers who run dozens or hundreds. We have several customers that I know of who run thousands of HL7 listeners using our listener products. With this, you are really optimized to go a long way. You can assign fewer profiles to each service, so that if you have to stop a service, it doesn't interrupt as many of your HL7 interfaces. And putting the services in is as easy as the click of a button. They're all installed. You can see what's going on down here, and I can start all of my services running. And it is done. They're all running. I can also right click and stop just a particular one, etc., etc. What's very cool also is in your profiles, if you stop your services, you can go to the Tools menu and say you want to distribute the primary service profiles. What that will do is distribute all of your listener profiles evenly across the 20 available primary service instances. We don't touch anything that's assigned to a private service. If I say go, and it's done. Now this changed some things here, so I need some attention paid. I can just click the Install Services button and it will fix everything. It'll uninstall everything that needed to be uninstalled and install services that need to be installed. I start my services and I'm done. Now, the core listener is one thing. Now, what about the core sender? You have the same dichotomy here. You can have up to 20 different primary services plus private services, and getting them going is also just as easy. Start and done. Which brings us up to our core HL7 Postmaster. Now this is a unique product. If you've never looked at it, download it, play with it. Go take a look at the online help or some of the videos on our YouTube channel about what you can do with this thing. It's like a Swiss Army knife of HL7 functionality. With this, same deal as before, up to 20 primary services, and you can just install them, start them, and done. You also have the distribute primary services available. Now, for our .NET 8 Script Engine. That is still on version 1.2. You still only have 3 primary service instances plus private services. That is in beta right now, and we are upping that as well to 20 primary services. And finally, here to our Core HL7 Microsoft SQL Schema Engine, our database product for Microsoft SQL. This is a great product. If you have never seen this, you should go and look at it. It falls also under our Core HL7 API Enterprise product, which means you can buy one license, run this, plus the script engine, plus the listener, plus the sender, all on the same computer running on one license. And just like everything else, you can install the licenses or install the services, start them, etc. And that's our product release. Version 3, all of the Core HL7 primary products. Thanks for listening. If you like this content, try subscribing to the channel, like the video. If you have any questions at all, just put them in the comments and we'll reply to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.